Hey guys, Technology with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off private browsing on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. So as you can see here, I'm on Safari right now, and it's saying that I'm on private browsing, which is good for privacy and security. But if I want to get out of private browsing, I need to do this method. So on Safari here, you notice here these two squares. You're going to click on those, and once you click on it, as you can see here right now, I am in the private section of browsing. If I move over here, now I am in the public browsing option. So simple as that. And now of course you might have multiple tabs opened up, and these are all going to be public, right? And then if we want to go back to private, we just swipe up and then we can add that. And as you see here, same exact thing, you just click on that and swipe at the bottom here to get to public and then private, just like that. So that's how you turn off private browsing to be on regular or public browsing on the Safari app on your iPhone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.